Mike Rohlik, Raleigh, North Carolina. I'm driving a 1982 Porsche 930 Turbo that has been heavily modified. It is still streetable, amazingly enough, but it is so much fun on the track. Oh my God. Short wheelbase with sticky tires.
Yes.
So much fun going in the corners. And I hear everybody say it sounds great, it blows out fire. I never get to see those things.
Hey man, I'll have to drive it for you, and then you can see.
It's so much fun to be out here on a nice day at VIR. And the thing about it is such a technical track. There's so many bits and pieces to work on, and you get better at one and you fall down on the other, and putting all the pieces together. I've only been doing this like my 6th time doing time trials or tracking it, but
Okay.
oh my God, the uphill S's is an experience that no one can imagine unless you've done it.
Ah,
So it brakes so hard, it accelerates so well, it's got wonderful torque,
look at that.
drives like a big engine, 8-cylinder car because it's got a turbo and
That's
it should
right.
kick me in the butt, but it does not do that.
So if you had to
love
say favorite thing about the car, what would it be? You got to pick one, and I know it's hard.
It's just, look at it, it's perfect. It's the shape everybody wants. Back in my day, you had 2 posters on your wall. Farrah Fawcett and a Porsche Turbo.
And least favorite thing? I know it's hard because there's so much to love, but what is your least favorite thing about it if you had to pick one?
I need to get it up over 137 on the back straight. Won't do that yet.
That is a great complaint. Thank you, man. You're a gentleman. And what a beautiful car. It's Car Passion Channel. So you guys true love here.
No tongue though, no tongue.
Not yet.
No, I'll save that for more private calls.